If a vector plus b vector equal to c vector and a plus b equal to c, then angle between a vector and b vector is. Here we have to find angle between two vectors for which equation is given. So first, if we discuss about summation of two vectors, a vector plus b vector is equal to r vector, then magnitude of resultant vector can be written with the help of formula a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So with the help of this formula we can see theta is coming, which means angle between a vector and b vector, that is those vectors which are being added. So here we have to find angle between these two vectors. So according to our question, we have given a condition, that is a vector plus b vector equal to c vector, means c vector is the resultant of a vector and b vector, and it is also given in the question a plus b means magnitude of a vector plus magnitude of b vector is equal to magnitude of c vector. So according to our formula, in place of r vector we can use c vector. So magnitude of c vector can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Here theta is the angle between a vector and b vector which has to be calculated. So magnitude of c vector can be written as c, and if we remove under root from right hand side, we will see c square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So according to the given condition in question, we can replace c with the help of a plus b. So we will get a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So on simplifying this, we will get a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to, as it is, we will copy on right hand side, a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. On simplifying, we will see 2ab will be equal to 2ab cos theta. On further simplification, we will get cos theta equal to 1, means this is possible when theta is 0, means angle between two vectors is coming out to be 0 degree. So final answer of this question is 0 degree. Thank you.